Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here with us today. Today we're going to show you how to declutter your space in just 5 minutes with 10 quick and easy tips. Yes, you heard that right, just 5 minutes. We know how busy life can get, and sometimes it feels like there's just no time to tackle the mess. But with our simple and effective strategies, you'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in such a short amount of time. We all know that feeling of being overwhelmed by our possessions. It's like the clutter has a life of its own, slowly taking over our living spaces and our peace of mind. Whether it's a pile of clothes that never seems to get smaller, a desk buried under papers, or a kitchen counter that's become a catch-all for everything, clutter can make us feel stressed and out of control. It can weigh us down and prevent us from feeling truly at peace in our homes. The constant visual reminder of unfinished tasks and disorganization can be mentally exhausting. But don't worry, because we're here to help you reclaim your space and your sanity. But I believe that tidying up is about so much more than just getting rid of stuff. It's about making intentional choices about what we allow into our lives and our homes. It's about creating an environment that supports our well-being and reflects our values. When we take the time to declutter, we're not just cleaning up, we're making space for the things that truly matter to us. It's about creating a space where you can breathe deeply, relax, and focus on the things that bring you joy. Imagine walking into a room that feels open and inviting, where everything has its place and there's no unnecessary clutter to distract you. A tidy space can help you feel more calm, more focused, and more in control of your life. So, let's get started on this journey to a more organized and peaceful home. Stay tuned as we dive into our top 10 tips for decluttering in just 5 minutes. Choose a surface. Any surface. Your kitchen counter perhaps, or a corner of your desk. Imagine it sparkling clean, already free of clutter. Doesn't that feel lighter already? Now take everything off that surface. Every single item. As you pick up each item, hold it in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, find a designated space for it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Our lives are filled with small tasks that we put off, little things that pile up and become overwhelming. But what if we could conquer those tasks before they even had a chance to settle? Imagine a life where the small, nagging chores don't accumulate into a mountain of stress. That's the power of the 5-minute rule. This simple yet effective strategy can transform your daily routine and bring a sense of order and accomplishment. See a stack of mail? It might seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. Take 5 minutes to sort it, separating the important from the junk, recycling what you don't need, and filing away important documents. In just 5 minutes, you can clear that pile and feel a sense of accomplishment. Is your sink full of dishes? The sight of a cluttered kitchen can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to stay that way. Set a timer and see how much you can wash in 5 minutes. You might be surprised at how much you can get done in such a short amount of time. You'll be amazed at how much lighter you feel when you tackle these small tasks immediately. The 5-minute rule isn't just about cleaning, it's about creating a habit of taking action. Whether it's responding to an email, making a quick phone call, or tidying up a small area, these 5-minute bursts of productivity can add up to significant progress over time. The next time you feel overwhelmed by the little things, remember the 5-minute rule. Set a timer, focus on one task, and see how much you can accomplish. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your time and your environment. Embrace the 5-minute magic and watch as your life becomes more organized, less stressful, and more fulfilling. Small actions can lead to big changes, and it all starts with just 5 minutes. Decluttering your entire home can feel like a daunting task, but remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Instead of getting overwhelmed, choose one small area to focus on. A single drawer, one shelf in your bookcase, or even just a corner of your closet. By breaking down the task into smaller, more manageable steps, you'll find that decluttering becomes a much more enjoyable and less overwhelming experience. Chapter 4. A place for everything. Imagine opening a drawer and knowing exactly where to find what you need. That's the power of categorization. Gather similar items together. Pens and pencils in one container, makeup brushes in another. Fold your clothes and arrange them by type. Shirts with shirts, pants with pants. This not only makes it easier to find what you need, but also helps you to see how much you have of each item. You might be surprised at how many duplicates you find. Chapter 5. The Joy of Boxes. Storage boxes are your allies in the fight against clutter. Use them to store items that you don't use every day, such as seasonal decorations or sentimental items. Choose boxes that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing, bringing a sense of calm and order to your space. Remember, the goal is not just to hide clutter away, but to create a sense of peace and tranquility in your home. Chapter 6. The Power of Labels. Once you've sorted your belongings into categories and placed them in storage boxes, take the extra step to label everything clearly. Use labels that are easy to read and understand. You can even get creative and use different colored labels for different categories. Labeling not only helps you to find what you need quickly and easily, but it also makes it easier to put things back in their proper place, preventing clutter from building up again. Holding on to items we no longer use or need can create a sense of stagnation in our lives. The clutter around us can weigh heavily on our minds, making it difficult to focus and find peace. It's time to let go of those items that no longer spark joy. This process of decluttering is not just about making space in our homes, but also about making space in our hearts and minds. But before you discard them, take a moment to thank each item for its service. Acknowledge the role it played in your life, whether it was a source of comfort, utility, or even a memory. Perhaps it served you well in the past, providing you with warmth, convenience, or joy. Or maybe it was a gift from someone you love. These items often carry emotional weight, reminding us of special moments and people. Expressing gratitude for our possessions, even those we no longer need, helps us to appreciate the journey we've been on. Even as we let them go, we can feel a sense of closure and peace. Donating or recycling these items ensures they find new life and purpose with someone else. Is a powerful way to cultivate a sense of appreciation for the things we have. A decluttered space can lead to a decluttered mind, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. By letting go with gratitude, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and experiences, creating a more harmonious and fulfilling life. Tidying up doesn't have to be a monumental task. Incorporate small decluttering habits into your daily routine. Spend a few minutes each morning putting away any clutter that has accumulated. Before you go to bed, take a quick walk through your home and tidy up any messes. These small actions, done consistently, can make a big difference in maintaining a clutter-free and peaceful living space. Decluttering is not a solitary endeavor. Encourage everyone in your household to participate in creating a more peaceful and organized home. Have a family meeting to discuss decluttering goals and strategies. Make it a fun and collaborative experience by playing upbeat music or turning it into a game. Working together towards a common goal can strengthen family bonds and create a sense of shared accomplishment. Take a moment to appreciate the work you've done. Look around your newly decluttered space and breathe deeply, feeling the sense of calm and order. Acknowledge the effort you put into creating this peaceful environment for yourself and your loved ones. Remember, tidying up is not just about having a clean house, it's about cultivating a sense of joy and tranquility in your life. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Remember, creating a truly joyful and fulfilling life begins with creating a space that sparks joy. Happy decluttering!